Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Today, I'm going to give you a little tour of my pantry and the butler pantry slash coffee bar in our house. We had the house built last year and we moved into it in October. And I mean, it takes a little while to get things the way you want it. Plus with my surgery that I had in February, it kind of pushed back some of the things I wanted to get done, but we are getting it done. So I wanted to show you a couple of the small little rooms, kind of a couple of my favorite rooms in our kitchen area. So with that being said, let's start the tour. I'm gonna come around here and we are first gonna come into our kitchen is through here, and I don't wanna show you too much because number one, it's a mess. See my little air fryer there, right there. Anyway, so you can get, it's right next to the kitchen. But anyway, this is the coffee bar. And let me step back. We have it's built into this brick wall we have here. So here we have two cabinets with the glass shelves and glass fronts. There's a small cabinet above it with the light. We are getting Roman shades that will go in this window along with the two windows in the kitchen, but we're still waiting on those to come in. So, and then we have, this is technically a butler pantry, but I wanted to make it a coffee bar. So we have the cabinets with the drawer, and then it's a wine fridge, but I keep my, my creamer, and we keep bottled water in there. And then here, I have a little space for my little tier tray that I plan on decorating for with each season. And then these little pieces, this piece, that one, and that actually, that is gonna go up there, but I just haven't put it there yet. But anyway, those things were above the coffee bar in our previous house. And you can look back at some of our videos because I did a lot of videos from our kitchen, and the coffee bar was kind of sitting behind me. I had those on the wall above the coffee bar, but I really don't have a place to hang them here. I mean, I guess I could hang them like right there, but I don't want to. So I just have them sitting there. Like I said, that is gonna go above the window. And then with each season, I also kind of decorate the little window here, the windowsill. And then here I have my Keurig, my different coffees, which I need to refill. This one right here, whew, this is some kind of good. Mardi Gras King Cake coffee. Oh, it's good. Anyway, and then I have my little stirs, which I need some more of. Then I'm gonna, oh, do I want to show you the drawers? I haven't really organized the drawers yet, but I have teas and some hot chocolate. I have some of my coffee bar, like the tier tray decor in this drawer, and then little plates for desserts, and then tea. And then this drawer, I love my countertops. This quartz countertop. And then in this drawer, I don't really know what I have. Not much of anything, really. I still have to do some organizing. Down here, I just have extra coffee. We don't really use artificial sweetener, but we have family members that do, so when they come over, they can grab that. Anyway, so now on to the pantry. And here's my pantry. I have it organized pretty much the way I want it. That box down there bothers me, but I got it at Sam's, and we kind of don't have room in our chip basket. So anyway, here we have, I have extra canned goods down there because you never know when stores are going to run out of food. And then I have some more there. On this shelf, I just kind of have junk, which annoys me, but you know, it is what it is. Crackers, and then have all of my, well, most of my baskets, I have them labeled. These baskets I actually got from Dollar Tree. Most of the baskets in here, I got from Dollar Tree. And then these clips I actually got from Dollar Tree as well. And they're just, they're like little clothespins with the chalkboard little sign. And then here, I don't have that basket labeled, but it's clearly chips. All of these baskets also came from Dollar Tree. And the labels, the chalkboard labels, I think I may have ordered those from Amazon, but I can't remember. I think I did, and if I find the link, I will get it for you. And then up here, we actually have 2 air fryers. I just got that one because we absolutely love our air fryer. Here we have cereal. I had a container for cereal, and I keep my cereal in here, but the rest of my family, they don't like those containers, so I have to keep them in the box. And then I have these baskets also. I have 3 different kind of baskets in here. Well, more than that, but anyway, these are the baking basket, condiments basket, like extra, you know, barbecue sauce, whatever. In this corner, I actually have, and I showed this in one of my, in my last video, I have a Lazy Susan for the corner. This is a perfect place to have a Lazy Susan, because corners often stuff gets shoved in them and then you end up forgetting what you have. This is probably my, well, no, it's not my favorite, but anyway, this shelf has all my like glass containers, as you can see right here. Yes, I have a whole jar of Skittles. I know, it's probably why I'm in the weight predicament that I'm in, but oh well. Then I have, you know, jars here, like the, some of them are plastic. I think these down here are plastic. These are glass. And then up here, I have more of my jars. I didn't label these mainly because clearly it's pasta, but these have little, little bumps on them. Can you tell? So yeah, so I don't have things on that. And then in the corner, I have just a basket that I use. Like this is something I use in my coffee bar at Christmas. And then up here, I just have more stuff. Up here is just, I don't know, oh, that's a basket that has like Walmart bags. Up here I have a laundry basket that I have my like fall and Christmas plates and napkins that I get on clearance after the season, and I put them up there. And then this is probably my favorite part of my pantry, which is ridiculous, but they built me a canned food shelf, basically. So I can keep all my canned food nice and neat. And I try to keep it as well organized as possible. Beans, got some up here because I ran out of room here. Soups, which I need to move those over. Then I got to do something with that. That's extra cabinet knobs. Did I show you my cabinet knobs? I don't think I did. Let's see. Anyway, this is my pantry. I love my pantry. It's perfect. And then I have a crate in the corner over there where I have the paper towel, our extra paper towels. These are our glass, well, they're not really glass, doorknob or cabinet knobs. that I actually, so we were going to get them from the cabinet place, and let me set this back down. Hold on one second. And then I'm gonna come get back in front of the camera. So anyway, we were going to get our cabinet knobs from the place where we get all of our other cabinet knobs, but they were so expensive. Just for, I don't know, like 24 or something, it was gonna be like $100. So I actually went on Amazon, and I can see if I can pull up the link for that as well. I got a dozen of those cabinet knobs for $10. So definitely saved a lot of money. And you wouldn't think you could get cabinet knob, well, I mean, you can get anything from Amazon. But anyway, I got those little cabinet knobs from Amazon, and I love them. We get so many people commenting on them. But yeah, I got them from Amazon. So if you're looking to build a house, see what you can find from Amazon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a short little impromptu tour of two of my favorite rooms, which is silly that the pantry is one of my favorite rooms, but you know, whatever. It's pretty organized the way I want it, so that's kind of what makes it happy for me, because when I go in there, I'm not stressed out because I can't find anything. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the little video, and I am gonna do more home tour, but I also do home organization, shopping hauls, things like that. So if you would like to see more of that, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button because it notifies you every time I upload a new video. And also hit the like button, please. It really does help my channel on YouTube. And also leave a comment down below. What's something that I should change in my pantry as far as organization, or what's something that you like? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.